welcome back. I am so glad to be back filming videos to share with you guys. I hope you all had such an amazing holiday season and a wonderful start to 2020. Now, if you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do everything from beauty and lifestyle to snacks and just all kinds of fun unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. As you can see, today we have our January 2020 single swag. Now, no, I'm not single, but I really love this box. It is just a really good lifestyle subscription. Now, it is $39.99 a month and you receive 6 to 7 full-size products, and they're to treat yourself. It says they're the monthly sub box for single women out there, but like I said, I'm not single and I love it. It's just an amazing lifestyle subscription. Now, they do also have a smaller subscription, a petite box, and you'll receive 3 to 4 items in that. Now, the boxes ship at the first of the month, so you need to order by the 15th to receive the current box. So if you like what you see here, you can order by January 15th to receive this box. I will put a link down below, and that link will actually save you $15 off your first box. So your first month will only be $24.99. But it's gonna have things from fashion, accessories, organic bath and beauty products, delicious artisan crafted foods, top selling books, and other exciting surprises. So let's get in here and see what we got for January 2019. Turn it to the right side. Like I said, I just love this box. It's just always been so amazing. And like I said, I'm not single, but I still love it. So when you open it, there's always a card here, and it does on the back tell you everything that is in the box with the pricing, and it tells you the total retail value of the box. It says, New Year's resolution, love yourself more. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. And the total retail of the box for January is $226. So, has the black single swag tissue paper. We pull it back and we see goodies. So something caught my eye right away, and that is a spongel. This is from their Zodiac collection. I didn't know they had a Zodiac collection. And this is Earth. It's lavender and sea salt. Oh, that smells really good, y'all. I typically don't like lavender, so I was kind of like, but that actually smells really good. Let's see. And it is in a star shape, which for Zodiac, it does smell really good. It smells, I think I'm getting more of like the sea salt because it kind of does remind me of like an oceany type smell. I'm not really picking up the lavender. That smells so good. It's and this is $20. It says, love your skin with this beautifully packaged body wash infused buffer designed to cleanse, moisturize, rejuvenate, and restore every inch of your body. This all-in-one beauty treatment is dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, and made with love in the USA. So item number 1, we're off to a great start. I love spongels. And then we have Violet Harbor Castaway Necklace. Let's see what it says about this. Silver Pave Loop Castaway Necklace, $68. Your message in a bottle is here, and it's love yourself with this striking, sophisticated necklace perfect for everyday wear and layering. The necklace features a 16-inch chain with 4-inch extender, so you can make it up to a 20-inch. So it's like a message in a bottle. I was wondering because the packaging for a necklace. Oh, you guys, this is adorable. Can you see the necklace? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh. All right, so I got it out of the little bottle. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's really, I mean, it is very simple, but that is really, really pretty. And there you can see the extender. I like that necklace a lot. I think that is gorgeous. Ooh, okay. So already loving it. I told you guys I love this box. And then we have from Laritzi Cosmetics, we have a lip gloss. And this says $18, formulated to give you an effortless high gloss editorial look while removing the stickiness and glue-like feeling to create the ideal finish. Designed for ultimate comfort, each swipe is packed with a mega dose of unreal hydration. Keep shining. Okay, so this is like a nude gloss. Like that almost matches my skin tone perfectly. I have quite a few nude glosses, so I will probably set this to the side for a future giveaway, but I think it's a great product to have in here. Like 3 for 3. We are like, this is awesome. I'm really liking this month. And then we have a little treat. This is from Mr. Brownie. This is Rich, Moist, and Fudgy Blondies. Mr. Brownie Blondie 2-pack. This is $4. It says, indulge in these delectable, rich and moist brownies made with real Belgian chocolate and other premium ingredients right out of the package, or follow the included heating instructions. Okay, so you can pop them in the microwave if you want to, just for a quick second. But yum. All right. And then we have the Molly Jacob All Eyes on Me brush set. It says, ensure your eyes are always on point with this 4-piece essentials brush set that includes all the tools to create the perfect smoky eye or look you're going for. The set includes an angled brow plus liner brush, cream eye brush, eye shader, and base shadow brush. Love brushes. Okay, so they're in a little thing here. I'm gonna get them out. But I was looking, they each have like a different little phrase on them. They do feel very nice. I'm not having any type of fallout or anything. But I really like this. This is the eye shader, and it says, make it happen. It does feel, like I said, it feels very nice. This is the base shadow, and it says, this is me. And this is Good Vibes. And this is the cream eye shadow brush. And then this is obviously the brow and liner, and it says, eyes on me. So I like that. I love brushes. Can never have too many brushes. All right. And then this is Naobe. What is this? Naobe Detox Black Fossil Wood Mask. This is $26. This deep detoxifying treatment containing an all-natural ingredients like activated charcoal, green tea, licorice, and aloe vera is designed to eliminate impurities from your pores and reduce black spots for a luminous look. And if I didn't say, this is $26. Unpolluted black fossil wood mask, activated charcoal, green tea, licorice, aloe vera, and diatomaceous earth. It's cruelty-free. That's interesting. I'm excited to kind of try that. I want to start using more than just sheet mask, because I do have a good collection of masks like this that you would put on, wash off, but I don't really use them that often. I need to. All right, and then, what is this? Headbands of Hope. That's what it says. I don't know if you can really read that. Let's see. Headbands of Hope Twist Turban. This is $18. Oh, that's pretty. So you can see where it twists right there, but it's like a headband. I like the colors. I really like that. Yeah, $18. This chic, stylish headband is both soft and comfortable and contains an elastic strap on the back to ensure a secure fit every time. Best of all, for every headband sold, including yours, a headband is donated to a child with cancer. Oh my gosh, y'all. That's amazing. I love this. And I love when any company gives back, but that right there, that one is like especially touching. And it looks like we have one more item in here. They packed this box. And this is it. This is Jules K. Jen snake leather pouch with detachable wristlet strap, $48. Elevate any outfit or look while Elevate any outfit or look while keeping your belongings secure with this premium leather pouch with detachable wrist strap. Wear as a clutch or throw it in your handbag or tote. I love the colors because I love the Tar Heels. So it is Carolina blue. So you see it has like the wristlet, which I would probably keep on and just put something like my phone and, you know, maybe my debit card and ID, something like that. Trying to get the little, okay, it came out. So yeah, there's no pocket or anything inside. It just has the logo. It's stuck to the bag. But yeah, I do like this. So that was everything in our single swag for January 2020. I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. So let me know what you thought. Like I said, if you like what you see in this box, I will put a link down below and you will be able to sign up and get $15 off your first month. So you could get all of this for only $24.99. So again, let me know your thoughts down below. You guys know I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.